Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Mehta, and today we will understand how to do conditional formatting using font color in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. I've already generated the table using the subcategories, sales and profit. Now click here and go in conditional formatting font color. So let's select any other color from here for the lowest value and let's keep the highest value blue color. Click OK and you can see the changes. Now, when you will click on the sum of sales, the numbers will be arranged either in the ascending or the descending order. So this is how you can do conditional formatting using font colors in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.